What's going on, XRP holders? Welcome back here to the channel. In this video, I want to tell you guys a little bit about a couple things, two things actually, that are continuing to be themes within XRP right now. One has to do with the type of investor that's getting into XRP, especially when we see a common thing happen on the charts. We'll take a look at that, but we'll also take a look at some concerns that traditional investors still have about XRP, but I think these concerns are slowly going away. I want to highlight some of the things that, could change the course of XRP. We've been talking about some of these things for a while too. And also from a price standpoint, guys, we're getting a little bit of a pullback today in the overall market, but this could be a really, really good signal because we're seeing a lot of institutional money come into XRP right here. Early this morning, about 20 minutes ago, whales have bought 60 million XRP in the last 24 hours, and a lot of it coming early this morning on the pullback. So if you want to get ahead of the game, guys, if you want to basically separate yourself from the rest of the traders, XT algo is the way to do it. All right, this indicator, I launched it back in 2023. This indicator will set you apart. It's going to give you a completely different outlook when it comes to the market. So anybody who wants to gain that real competitive advantage, there's a link down below in the description. You guys want to be on this side of the fence because it's going to alert you exactly, know when to get in, when to get out of various projects. So if you're already deep into the market, you're already killing it, you're crushing it, and you want to take it to the next level, XT Algo can help you get there. You guys can see, if you look at the daily chart, the last time our momentum up indicator flashed, which is crazy, you got to go all the way back down here to November 6th. From that momentum up or buy signal, we are up 390% on the XRP chart. And here you go right here. I'm showing it to you guys on screen. 390% since that momentum up. So there's a link down below in the description, XT Algo. Check it out, guys. Highly encourage you guys to do so if you're trying to get ahead. But yes, whales bought 60 million XRP in the last 24 hours. A lot of people still talking about this, though. XRP is, quote, centralized controlled security, legendary angel investor says. So there's still this theme that XRP is a security. You shouldn't invest in it. And a lot of people are still sitting on the sidelines because XRP is technically still in this lawsuit with the SEC. But if there's anything that's been made clear, as Trump comes in here, naming a new SEC chair, naming a new CFTC chair, you got a pro-crypto Congress, pro-crypto House of Representatives. This is a completely different regime. And I just don't think people realize how big of a deal this is. Yes, the lawsuit is technically still in place, but this is going to go away. The SEC is going to move away from the Ripple lawsuit. And when that happens, you're going to have XRP ETFs. You're going to have a ton more institutional demand ramp up. You're going to have the legitimization of altcoins, anything that's not Bitcoin, right? Because right now all you have is Bitcoin, Ethereum ETFs. You're going to have basket ETFs where you're going to get exposure to the top 10 or top 15, very similarly, to how the stock market works. But American entrepreneur Jason Calacanis, who's widely known as one of the most prominent angel investors, he had some early bets on Uber, Robinhood, some of the other top Web2 companies. He is not a big fan of Ripple XRP. He thinks it's a centralized controlled security. According to every crypto OG I talked to, it's the opposite of Bitcoin. He says the 54-year-old investing legend has predicted that the potential approval of spot XRP ETF traded funds will render the securities laws worthless. Now, here's what I think that Jason's not hitting on. What's deemed a security on the traditional side, is that how it's going to look in crypto? I think it's going to be a completely different outlook. I don't think they're going to use the Howey test forever. I don't think a traditional security is going to basically be exactly how they look at crypto. I think they're going to need a completely different blueprint in terms of what's a security, what's a commodity. And David Sachs, who's in this new position to handle crypto and AI, he's already kind of hinted at this. Same thing with Hester Pierce, who's sitting in right now for Paul Atkins at the SEC. She said, hey, every crypto is not created equal here. It is very, very different, from, let's say a community token, NFTs to blue chips, to Bitcoin, to Solana when it comes to smart contracts. There's going to be different guidelines and standards for every single sector in crypto. So it's not going to be as simple as, hey, this is a security, this is not. This is a security, this is a commodity. It's not going to be that black and white. There's going to be a lot of different gray areas, I think, in governing crypto. And that's what's missing here. A lot of these people like Jason here saying, hey, I don't want to invest in this because it's a security. We don't even know exactly what they're going to be doing with the crypto market yet. Okay. And there's a reason why investing in XRP is a great idea right now, because you're getting ahead. You're front running all of this. You're front running before any regulations are set in place, before anything's set in place. But XRP proponents argue the network is neutral and decentralized. Ripple compared the token to oil and diamonds. XRPL transactions are processed by a list of, quote, trusted validators on unique node lists. As of now, there are 187 validators in the registry. Earlier this month, the XRPL attracted fresh criticism after briefly halting block production. Some people are, a little concerned about that. But at the end of the day, guys, XRP continues to gain adoption. You're talking about $154 billion market cap. It's not going anywhere. So people can say this all they want. It's centralized. It's this, it's that. People are still buying in. Okay. Big money is still pouring into XRP. And there are some people who are trying to front run and who do think that this is the next Google, right? Who do think this is the next Microsoft opportunity. And from a price standpoint, you can't argue what's happened here from the price action. If we go into the weekly chart here, you guys can really see, I mean, this has just been an amazing run since early November, where we had the big pop off 50 cents. We were trending at 50 cents, guys, for weeks and weeks and weeks. Look at this. Look at all this opportunity to accumulate in 2023. In 2024, we were sitting at 50 cents. And then all of a sudden, boom, prices have exploded. XRP breaking out. It's following the same pattern it did in 2017. And it looks like there's a lot more upside here to the XRP chart. And if you want to know exactly when this big next momentum up trigger happens, again, it is XT algo, guys. It is going to set you apart. I'm telling you, you're going to have the information you need. I walk you through how to use it. Super, super simple. And you're going to have the tools and resources to absolutely crush it during this bull run. So you want to get a hold of this now. And there's a link down below in the description. We will not be running this coupon code forever, guys. It's an amazing opportunity right now to get in. Links down below. A little over $1 a day gets you started when you use the discount code in the description of this video. So definitely check that out. Appreciate you guys for watching. And let me know your thoughts down below in terms of all of this. XRP still fighting the whole centralized controlled thing, and they're fighting, security versus commodity. Let me know what you think about this. And also, just the price action and kind of where we are right now in this choppy market environment. I'm curious to hear you guys' thoughts. So appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.